In April 2019, at ASML's headquarters in Veldhoven, Netherlands, engineers prepared to ship the company's 100th extreme ultraviolet lithography machine. This monumental event marked a significant milestone in semiconductor manufacturing. Each of these machines costs around $150 million, reflecting the immense investment and risk involved in their development. Over 2 decades, ASML poured billions of euros into perfecting EUV technology, a gamble that has now paid off handsomely. The shipping of this machine symbolized not just a technical achievement, but also ASML's dominance in the lithography market. As the only supplier of EUV machines, ASML has effectively become the linchpin of the global semiconductor industry. This reality raises important questions about the company's role. How did ASML become the linchpin of the global semiconductor industry? The answer lies in its unparalleled technology and strategic importance, making it a geopolitical choke point in the tech sector. ASML's extreme ultraviolet lithography technology is indispensable in producing the most advanced semiconductor chips. According to ASML's 2022 annual report, this technology is critical for manufacturing chips that power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. As the demand for these high-performance chips grows, so does ASML's influence in the global semiconductor supply chain. In 2022, ASML reported sales of $18.6 billion, underscoring its economic significance and the pivotal role it plays in the tech industry. The stakes are further heightened by the ongoing technological race between the United States and China. The European Commission's 2023 chip export controls review highlights that access to ASML's EUV machines is a key factor in this competition. Both countries recognize that whoever controls the most advanced semiconductor technology will gain a significant strategic advantage. This has led to intense geopolitical maneuvering, with each nation striving to secure its position in the tech hierarchy. What might seem like a niche technological capability is, in reality, a central point of contention in international politics. ASML, a relatively obscure name outside the tech industry, has become a geopolitical choke point. The company's near monopoly on EUV machines places it at the heart of global power struggles. Nations are not just vying for technological supremacy. They are grappling with the potential to control the future of digital innovation. This makes ASML more than just a tech company. It is a pivotal player in a geopolitical chess game, with its decisions potentially reshaping global alliances and economic landscapes. In 1984, in the small town of Veldhoven, Netherlands, ASML was founded as a joint venture between Philips and Advanced Semiconductor Materials International. This collaboration pooled the expertise and resources necessary to pioneer advances in lithography technology, setting ASML on a path to reshape the semiconductor industry. Just 4 years later, in 1988, ASML shipped its first lithography system. This marked the beginning of its ascent in a sector that underpins the modern digital world. By 1995, ASML had grown enough to become a publicly traded company, listing on both the Amsterdam and Nasdaq stock exchanges. This move not only provided capital for further innovation, but also cemented its credibility on the global stage. The seeds of ASML's future dominance were sown early. In 2006, the company developed its first extreme ultraviolet, EUV lithography prototype. This breakthrough set the stage for the next era of semiconductor manufacturing, where EUV technology would become indispensable. Martin van den Brink, who joined ASML as Chief Technology Officer in 1999, played a crucial role in steering the technical direction that led to these innovations. His leadership helped maintain ASML's focus on pushing the boundaries of what was possible in lithography. Despite its critical role in enabling the production of advanced microchips, ASML remains largely unknown outside the semiconductor industry. This is counterintuitive given its impact on the technology that powers everyday devices. ASML's journey from a modest joint venture to a market dominator is a testament to its strategic foresight and relentless innovation. By leveraging Philips's initial support, ASML developed cutting-edge lithography systems that propelled it to the forefront of the industry. Its quiet rise underscores how essential yet invisible some companies remain, even as they drive the technology that shapes the future. In the early 2000s, ASML embarked on an ambitious journey. The company decided to invest heavily in extreme ultraviolet (EUV) lithography, a technology that promised to revolutionize semiconductor manufacturing. This commitment, however, was not without its challenges. By 2018, ASML had spent over $6 billion on EUV research and development, according to their 2018 annual report. Such a massive financial commitment to a technology that had yet to prove its market viability was a bold move. In 2012, ASML took a strategic step by acquiring Cymer, a key supplier of EUV light sources, for $2.5 billion. This acquisition, documented in Cymer's 2012 acquisition filing, was crucial. It secured ASML's supply chain for the essential EUV light sources, ensuring the successful deployment of their technology. This move underscored ASML's commitment to overcoming the technological barriers that stood in the way of EUV's success. The first production-ready EUV machine rolled off ASML's assembly line in 2016, marking a significant milestone. According to ASML's 2016 annual report, these machines are capable of producing chips with features as small as 7 nanometers. This capability was a game-changer for the semiconductor industry, allowing for the creation of more powerful and efficient chips. While many viewed ASML's investment in EUV as risky, it was precisely this risk that positioned the company as an indispensable supplier in the semiconductor market. Investing billions in a technology with no immediate market seemed risky, but it was a calculated risk that paid off. By taking this leap, ASML not only advanced its technological capabilities, but also solidified its market dominance. Peter Wennink, who became CEO in 2013, played a pivotal role in steering the company through these transformative years. His leadership helped ASML navigate the complexities of EUV development and secure its position as a leader in the field. ASML's gamble on EUV technology was not just bold, it was visionary. The company's foresight and willingness to invest in unproven technology have redefined the possibilities within the semiconductor industry. The success of EUV lithography has not only validated ASML's strategy, but has also set a new standard for technological innovation in chip manufacturing. By 2020, ASML had cemented its position as the leader in the lithography market. According to ASML's 2020 annual report, the company controlled over 90% of the global lithography market. This dominance was reflected in its financial performance, with revenue from its EUV machines reaching $4.5 billion that year. ASML's Veldhoven headquarters was the epicenter of this success, where the company delivered an impressive 31 EUV systems in 2020. This production capacity underscored its ability to meet the escalating demand from the semiconductor industry. Roger Dassin, ASML's CFO since 2018, has been instrumental in steering the company through this growth phase. Under his financial leadership, ASML's market capitalization soared to $200 billion by 2021, as noted in the ASML 2021 financial overview, indicating strong investor confidence. ASML's technological lead in EUV and its strategic partnerships with major chipmakers enabled it to dominate the EUV market. Companies like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel rely heavily on ASML's machines to produce the most advanced chips. This reliance makes ASML a critical supplier in the semiconductor supply chain. However, despite its market dominance, ASML's success hinges on a small number of customers. This concentration poses a risk, as any disruption in these relationships could impact ASML significantly. The company's market position is both a strength and a vulnerability. Its near monopoly provides it with immense bargaining power and the ability to set market trends. But it also means that ASML is susceptible to shifts in the semiconductor industry. As Roger Dassin and his team continue to navigate this complex landscape, ASML's future will depend on maintaining its technological edge and diversifying its customer base to mitigate risks. ASML's story is a testament to how a single company can wield significant influence over a global industry. Yet, its reliance on few key customers highlights the delicate balance between dominance and dependency. In 2023, the geopolitical landscape shifted significantly with the U.S. imposing export controls on ASML's EUV machines to China. This move, documented in the EU Commission's 2023 Chip Export Controls Review, was driven by national security concerns. ASML's machines are crucial for the production of advanced chips, which are integral to military and AI applications, as outlined in ASML's 2023 annual report. The strategic importance of these technologies has positioned ASML not just as a technological leader, but as a critical player in international relations. ASML's influence extends far beyond its headquarters in Veldhoven, Netherlands. By 2023, the company employed over 37,000 people worldwide, underscoring its vast global reach, as reported in ASML's annual report. This expansive presence makes ASML a linchpin in the semiconductor industry, with its EUV technology serving as a key enabler for the most advanced chip manufacturing processes. The strategic necessity of these chips in modern technologies has led to heightened scrutiny from governments around the world, as detailed in ASML's 2023 annual report. The counterintuitive twist is that ASML, a company whose primary focus is advancing technology, now finds itself at the heart of international politics. Nations are increasingly aware of the need to secure their own semiconductor manufacturing capabilities, leading to geopolitical tensions. This is a direct consequence of ASML's strategic importance, as countries vie for access to the cutting-edge technology that ASML provides. Wim van der Leegte, the chairman of the supervisory board since 2020, plays a pivotal role in navigating these complex dynamics. As ASML continues to expand its influence, the company faces both opportunities and risks. The narrator judgment here is clear. ASML's technology is a double-edged sword, offering both opportunity and geopolitical risk. The company's EUV machines not only advance technological capabilities, but also create a chokepoint in global politics, influencing international relations and trade policies. ASML is charting an ambitious course for the future. According to its 2023 strategic plan, the company intends to significantly increase its extreme ultraviolet EUV production capacity by 2025 to meet the ever-growing demand for advanced semiconductor technologies. This expansion is crucial as the world becomes increasingly reliant on semiconductors for everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. To support this growth, ASML is investing $1 billion in a new research facility in Veldhoven, Netherlands. This facility aims to push the boundaries of lithography technology and maintain ASML's edge in the market. Darren Smith, head of research and development since 2022, leads these efforts. Under his leadership, ASML is not only expanding its production capabilities, but also deepening its collaborations with major chip makers like TSMC and Intel. These partnerships are expected to play a pivotal role in ASML's strategy, allowing for the co-development of next-generation technologies that will define the future of computing. However, the landscape is not without potential disruptions. The rise of emerging technologies, such as quantum computing, could fundamentally alter the semiconductor industry. These technologies present both a challenge and an opportunity for ASML. While the company is currently at the forefront of lithography technology, it must adapt to these new paradigms to sustain its leadership position. This situation creates a unique dynamic, where ASML's continued investment in research and development and its strategic alliances will drive future growth. Yet these very advancements could also render existing technologies obsolete. The company recognizes these challenges and is actively preparing to tackle them. The integration of new technologies and the ability to pivot alongside industry changes will be critical. ASML's future is bright, but it must navigate a rapidly changing tech landscape. The company's commitment to innovation and strategic foresight will determine its success in maintaining its pivotal role in the semiconductor supply chain. As the semiconductor industry evolves, ASML's adaptability will be tested, but its strategic investments and partnerships position it well to face the future. Whether ASML can continue to dominate in the face of such transformative technologies remains an open question. ASML's transformation from a modest enterprise in Veldhoven, Netherlands, into a critical force in the global semiconductor industry is a testament to the power of innovation and strategic foresight. By 2020, its near monopoly on extreme ultraviolet lithography machines made it a pivotal player in tech manufacturing. This dominance has not only influenced market dynamics, but also positioned ASML as a geopolitical chokepoint. In 2023, its cutting-edge technology became central to international relations, affecting how countries negotiate and collaborate. As ASML continues to innovate, the company's future remains uncertain. Will its grip on the market endure? Or will emerging technologies and geopolitical tensions redefine the landscape? The answers will shape the semiconductor industry's trajectory for years to come.